Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Look at me, ooh, showing my shoulders. Look at Jojo behind me. So it's Sunday, and this is the first time I'm posting on the camera this since I came back from France after our Warri Waka. I want to go to park in my own park to go and collect my package. Like we ordered jeans from Lagos from Mercy's guy. Mercy has a jean guy in Lagos. So yeah, Mercy has a jean guy in Lagos. So we placed order for some jeans, and instead of them to send our jean, we told them that she told the guy that we wanted them to bring the jean to comment below if you're somebody that warms your car, like puts on the car in the morning and warms it first. But like for me, I do that. People are easy to cost me. Somebody that one of our neighbors here said, he just basically said, now why I feel like say your fuel plenty you go almost to leave our car come out in the morning. Me, I usually just allow it to warm a bit for 5 minutes. I don't know why I do. My parents used to do it, so I think that's why I still do it. So yeah, basically we're going to Chisco Park in my one. The man was supposed to send the package to, we told him Water Lines or Rumola or Stadium Road, the park that he sent this into, but rather the delivery person, the dispatcher, I went and sent it through Chisco. So we have to go to my one. I'm just happy he came today that I'm in the house. Today that is Sunday, not Monday or one of those funky days when I have to go to work. So yeah, so we're going to my one right now to pick up our jeans. I think I'm gonna go to the market. I want to try out Siamese beef stew. I'm like, watched the video, I'm like, oh my god, this is like the best thing I've seen all year. Like, how dare me not try it? I mean, I like simple chewings like that. I don't really like putting so much meat in my food. So with beef stew, you're eating your meat as you're eating your food. This is like the best thing ever. So I already bought the meat yesterday. So I'm gonna stop by the market today to buy other things to make the stew, the beef sauce, like she called it. Anyways, after then I think we're gonna go for steady run later on today. Today is Sunday. Steady run is always every Sunday, but we haven't gone like 2 Sundays because we traveled to Warri one Sunday, the other one it was raining. Although those who walk in the rain, they actually do the walk in the rain. Even when it's raining, they go for the walk. I'm not that serious about soaking my hair. So yeah, so later on we're gonna go for steady run. My sister is telling me something about the festival right now. I think I'm going to go for that one too. So it's either steady run or the festival, or the festival or steady run, or both. Let's see how the day goes. Anyways, I'll see you guys when we're at the market. Bye.
I think the question had a little food.
So hi guys, so it's so many hours later and we are on our way to this run for the steady. We are all currently on a barrel right now, me and Miss Siri. Edna is not coming with us today. She went to a party. So they said today we're meeting at Ada George. So yeah, I think I'll see you guys when we get to the place because Mercy cannot film anything. She's chewing food. It will be later for her side. How is it? Like this with the drum? I snap myself. I did the snap. I don't like your wood. You're too back. You're too behind. You're too behind. Oh! I stand schools international. Why those men they run past Guys, and welcome back to the channel. So, oh my god, breaking transmission, camera battery is low. So we wanted to talk about the SARS stuff, but apparently the camera battery is down.
We'll pass that place. Wow, my color maybe.
Maybe that.
That's fine, this side.
No, let's have one pass go.
Like
It's concern that side.
Maybe another.
Before, please wait, there's no 7 person to collect them for you. So, oh, battery is low, you guys.
No charger.
I will-
It's the same that you wore.
How's that?
Nice.
Now the jeans now. So you guys wanted to drive and talk about it, talk about the whole SARS situation ship in Nigeria and how scary it is. But apparently the battery on this camera, so we're going to talk as much as we can because we're going out. We can't really talk, we cannot really charge the camera when we're out and about, but we're going to talk some more about it with the small battery that is left. So see you guys when we're on the road. So you guys want to talk about, we're driving and talking about, we want to talk about the whole SARS situation in Nigeria. So apparently for years now, this whole SARS people and their wahala has been going, they've been killing different people all over the place. Like, I think they said Messi even has more information than I do, said. So that is apparently is in Lagos, that Lagos has the highest number of deaths caused by SARS.
So, yes. But actually, new information reaching us now. I heard that this Akuzu SARS. I don't know, somewhere in the
Anambra
east.
State.
Anambra. Akuzu SARS.
I heard that place yesterday. Gave me the heebie-jeebies.
Not really heebie-jeebies. That place is a dumping ground for dead bodies.
What that man said? I've forgotten that they are former man in charge of that particular station.
I don't even want to know. That guy is a monster.
So I kept hearing different people.
I'm telling you,
they have dumping ground for the corpse.
Shallow graves all over that area. I think they should just demolish that place down, bring that place to the ground.
And what's even pissing me off is that the government has always known about this thing
before, uncle.
They know that they are killing innocent people. The people that they put in power, like they put in a particular group like this SARS something, is a special anti-robbery squad. They've been killing innocent people for having iPhone and all that. The government knew. It's now that they want to now give us some kind of smoke screen so that we will stop talking about it. We will chill. The youths will stop protesting. Then they will not bring them back, because this is not the first time.
No chilling. We are not chilling this time.
They are continue. They are told right now they are even like mounting roadblock at toll gate for like how many days now in Lagos. People that are like, they want the SARS. So it's not by telling us that they want to end SARS. This SARS has to end. In Port Harcourt, the closest encounter I think we've had was when we went for Steady Run.
Yes. Oh boy, that man almost shot the cameraman. Like, why you videoing me? Why you? Okay, we're not videoing you.
I was even taking pictures.
You just taking pictures of
saw us walking together. So why do you feel like the man is filming you?
Like, if you're not even doing something wrong, why would you feel so pressed about somebody holding their camera? I beg, this is just out of hand.
I feel like the youth should not even stop. I feel like what we're doing now, if this thing continues 2023, we are not going to come out and press our hand to vote. The youthful youth will just boycott the election.
No, it's not about boycotting the election self. We will bring our own person and vote for the person that
and person will even become
now, because now we plenty pass now.
So I feel like anybody that has that to me, I can't really say I've gone through. I felt like I can explain how anybody has experienced this whole SARS thing firsthand. I don't know how it feels to lose somebody. You go out and the one that they shot one guy in Port Harcourt here,
just outside his house.
Of his gate, they just shot the guy. No reason. What kind of SARS is this one? SARS is shooting innocent victims. No, I won't check about good. SARS is busy shooting innocent people for no reason, for having iPhone. And when they
for looking good,
when their former director, what's his name?
I don't cram the idiot's name. I beg.
Okay, go use power lock that boot though.
I don't cram the guy name. The former, the guy is a retired CSP. I've forgotten his name, but he was the former head of SARS. Oh, they started collecting tag now. Okay, that's nice. The former head of SARS, I was saying that if he looks at you and you are driving a car that you don't look like you are supposed to own that kind of car, like you are young, there's no job in Nigeria, blah 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 blah, and you're driving an expensive car, where did you get the money from? Obviously you're an armed robber, or you are doing
so imagine
fraud.
how many people that man would have killed
Now, and you're doing fraud, then you're holding an iPhone. Like, where do you have to get the money to buy? And I'm like, are you? The economy in Nigeria is so worse that you can't afford iPhone. Like, you see someone 25, 24 owning an iPhone, driving expensive car. You don't have a rich father. I'm like, I don't understand. Say my papa no get money. My papa make me self constantly poor. Or make I no buy iPhone. Like, the man's reason was just so. I was so angry. Like, why would someone reason like this? I swear.
He just spoke like somebody that just crawled, like they just brought him out of the ground.
I know the funny part was that the man was just...
Hi guys, so yesterday we were talking about SARS and the battery of the camera died. How are you, Daki? So I won't even lie and say I'm going to my church. I've not been to church in... Last time I went to church was in January. February. I think once lockdown started, Tochi stopped going to church. I'm not going to church. I'm not going to be like streaming from the house. Then the road to my own satellite church is I have to pass through Artillery to go to my satellite church at Rumbekwe. Then they blocked the road, so I have to travel through. So now I'm thinking of joining another satellite church that's just like close by to my family house. But right now I want to go for a child education. You guys remember Mesoma, the girl I was calling my sugar girl the other day in the other vlog, Mama's birthday vlog. Today that small baby we're carrying in the vlog. Today is the child education. So you know, people see me with camera a lot, so they automatically just say, since you're holding the camera, come and take a picture of us. Oh my god, can you guys see this thing? See this stuff moving here, like that's how hot it is. Can you guys see it? I don't know if you guys can see the movement of steam. What the? That's how hot the weather is right now. Oh my god. So yeah, basically we're going for a child education right now. We shall see when we get to the church. I'm just wearing one random clothes. Mama, show you what I'm wearing. Take. I'm just wearing one random big clothes. I'll go for the child education. Help my eyes. So that's what I'm wearing for the child education today. Yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to the church. I'll be looking at, I guess, the woman to stop it. Give me a smell. What's this white one?
Yeah, I forgot to rub some cream. So this is a Port Harcourt beautiful.
Port Harcourt is actually a very beautiful place. But I think with the different, I feel if you have better leaders where that how do I explain this? They are more interested in leaving a mark and all that. They can actually keep all these things going. Look at, they pay people to clear this grass, plant all this flower, trim it. This Harmony Estate, I like the place.
I just
See Harmony Estate. See Harmony Estate.
Wow.
You have to buy a house. People buy houses. I don't think they rent houses there. If you buy it, it's like.
They say that buying house there is expensive, sir. You'll be looking at maybe 100 M. But 101.
No. 101. Are you serious? Did you just only add like only one? 100 million, 50. Yeah, I think it's from 100 million. I think. I'm not really sure. I shall not buy an apple and let me not die of hunger here.
Oh, it's one.
I am so hungry. This whole diet thing I'm doing is not easy. And Sunday is like my cheat day, but I just told myself that since I won't be in the house in the morning, let me just wait and eat by 12. But apparently, the church has not closed.
I thought they said by 12.
The church is still. Oh, look at Mesoma.
They said by 12.
Mesoma. Mesoma wore the same kind of clothes with her sister Chiamaka. So we want to go and look for where we eat something. Wow, but even if it's biscuit, I've not eaten. Yeah, biscuit and mineral. I've not drank mineral in weeks, almost 1 month, sef, because I'm doing diet. I want to be fat again. What are you, Echo?
But they say that they're going to close by 12 now.
The pastor is rounding up now. So obviously,
even some others stops me from sleeping. So
I don't normally sleep each other, but don't worry, sleep as we catch
and I'm holding something, I'll release it.
My own church, like our church, is 1 hour 30 minutes each service. This one is 10 o'clock after 12 hours. Yeah. Anyway, let me know where I'm gonna eat something.
If not, but I just.
Yeah, we almost got missing when we were coming here. We've been to this place like a bunch of times, but still cannot get the road right.